I'm stupid for even trying. Honestly, just whatever. Remember when we used to goof around after class, watching the sun dry out the grass, doing nothing, getting nowhere, but we didn't really care, humming that love song that played everywhere. Now I'm melting in my bed, staring holes in the ceiling, trying to numb out this heavy chest feeling. I swear this dead summer is taking forever to end. I'm losing my mind and I'm losing my friend.
Are you thinking about me? 'Cause I can't get you out of my head. Are you thinking about me? Now you moved on, left me on red.
Yeah, it's fine. Saw your story last night, you look so alive. Who's that new guy riding by your side? Guess I wasn't the one you were trying to keep. Now I'm just pacing the floor, forgetting to sleep.
Are you thinking about me? 'Cause it's 100 degrees, but it's raining for me. Are you thinking about me? Now you moved on and I'm watching you leave.
Remember when we